Hello everyone. So today we are in खाबा विलेज. ये पाली और ब्राह्मण्स के गांव हुआ करते. ये पाली और ब्राह्मण्स के मेन गांव हुआ करते थे. पाली और ब्राह्मण्स पाली के थे और 3-4 सेंचुरीज मूव करते करते वो पाली वालों ने जैसलमेर को ही अपना एक घर बनाया. उनके 84 गांव थे जिनमें 2 गांव कुलधरा और खाबा मेन. And so the Khaba and Kuldara is famously known for their ruins. Now, so this is small story related to this haunted village of जैसलमेर. कहानी कुछ 200 साल पुरानी है. जब महारावल मूलराज टू का राज चल रहा था और उनके मिनिस्टर कमेटी में सालम सिंह करके एक मिनिस्टर था, famously known for his notorious act, cruel practices of taxes and everything. एक बार की बात है, सालम सिंह को पाली वालों की एक लड़की पसंद आ गई. उस पर मोहित हो गया और हद की बात तब हुई जब once the Salam Singh really went to the house of that girl, threatened that if she does not come to his palace, he will invade the entire village and kill people and then take her. ये बात पाली वालों को काफ़ी अपसेट कर गई. So they gathered, they had a meeting to decide what to do. It was about not, it was just not about the girl's reputation but entire community reputation. पाली और ब्राह्मण से मिलके मीटिंग की क्या किया जाए. War, लड़ाई, ना solution. Been brahming and more concerned for welfare of the society. In a night, over a night, the entire 84 villages abandoned. The people abandoned their homes and they moved out in different cities of India. जाते जाते इस गांव को शाप दे गए कि आज के बाद इस गांव में ना कोई प्रॉस्पर करेगा, ना यहाँ कुछ फलेगा फूलेगा और ये गांव बंजर के बंजर रह जाएंगे. तो आप जब भी आओगे, whenever you come and visit Kuldar and Khaba, you will notice there's no roof. And roof is a sign of, and roof is a sign of wealth. You have a roof over your head. That's a good prosper life. So yeah, people have preference. In my preference, if I come, if in my preference, you should come to Khaba. Kuldara is also a ruin. Khaba is also a ruin. Kuldara, it's kind of overrated in terms of tourists, but if you come and visit Khaba, it's a small village, Khaba. So within a village you will notice there are ruins of the old civilization that lived here, the old houses, old broken houses of Paleo Brahmins, and on the side there are few houses or few homes of people. It's kind of 50 to 150, around 50 to 60 houses. People started leaving. The people living there, they're not occupying the and the responsible thing of the people here. They have excluded the part of the old ruins here. It's not government undertaking by the governments or nothing like that. No fencing, but still the ruins remain as it is. As if, I don't know, as if the people here are so mature enough that they really don't want to touch that places. Probably they kept their houses as it is for the kind of waiting a signature that no matter what happens in a life, their home will remain there. Khaba Fort, sunrise is one main point you can come and visit. Khaba, it's not place developed yet, but yeah, this small resort, Khaba Resort, I don't know if it's functioning, it's working or not. You can check before you come and visit. But yeah, do make sure to visit Khaba and Kuldara. So for me, Khaba is much better than Kuldara. Thank you for watching the video. If you have enjoyed, do like, comment, and subscribe with your friends. You can follow me or connect with me on any of these platforms.